Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Recipe Made by Ali. Today we are going to learn how to make chicken sausage pasta. We are going to need the following ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons butter, 6 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, half a chicken breast about 6 ounces, 2 hot dogs or sausages about 4 ounces, 3 cups of egg noodle cooked, half a cup of mozzarella cheese divided into 2, 1 tablespoon of salt, cumin and paprika, 4 stems of parsley chopped. We start by making the white sauce. We melt the butter in a cooking pan and we add the flour, the cornstarch, and we mix them together on a medium heat for about 2 minutes. We add the milk and we keep stirring them together until they start boiling. Once they start boiling, we turn off the stove and we place the white sauce on the side. In another cooking pan, we add the rest of the ingredient. We add the olive oil, the minced garlic, the chicken, sausage or hot dog, salt, cumin and paprika, chopped parsley, white sauce, cooked egg noodle, and a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Once the mozzarella cheese melts, we move the ingredient into an oven pan. We sprinkle the rest of the mozzarella cheese on top of it and we place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or till the top is golden. Et voilà, bon appétit!